Hey there, future entrepreneurs and digital wizards. Welcome to the next video in our series called Achieving Financial Freedom Through System.io. I'm Isaiah Gibson from Lightwolf Marketing, and today's episode is super exciting. We're going to build your very first lead magnet funnel. Yes, you'll be doing this today. Now, before we jump in, remember, this is a part of our mini-series, and our next stop will be email marketing. So stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe to not miss out. All right, now let's get our hands dirty. A lead magnet funnel is a powerful tool to grow your email list. It's simple. You offer someone something valuable, a lead magnet, and in exchange, people give you their email. Think of it as a friendly trade. You're providing value, and they're entrusting you with their email. It's the first step in a beautiful relationship. Now, first up, the opt-in page. This is where your audience will land. It needs to be attractive and clear. With System.io, just select a template and customize it. It's as simple as drag, drop, and voila. Let's take some time to go over the different parts of the page editor. So here in the page editor, we're going to be looking at different parts of it. So this green outline here is called a section. Sections hold the rows, which is this blue outline, if I come in a little bit, columns, and elements. The columns are how things are arranged. This is a 2-column row. As you can see the split here, this is one column with the ebook holder and one column with pretty much the form and the text. Now the elements could be text, images, audios, video, or even a carousel. You even have forms, buttons, surveys, countdown timers, and more to help create the perfect page. So now let's add the template to our own lead magnet. I'm using one I made last year that I sent to my Facebook group. So we're gonna need to replace this hero image, preferably a good mock-up. I have one, but if you don't, you can easily create one in Canva or any other graphic design software. I use Click Designs and Canva for just about all of my funnel graphics. So here, you're gonna click on the image, and notice right here it says image file. I'm just gonna upload a new file, gonna drop one in, got one there, but I'm actually gonna choose the mockup that I just created. So let's back out of that, and mockup web, this is it. Let's insert it, and boom, it's as simple as that. Let's see what it looks like on mobile. Looks okay on mobile. It's a little small, but we can change that. All right. Now we just have to edit the copy to something we like that promotes the product while also creating curiosity. People love a good surprise, so let's give them one. Remember, clarity is key. You want to highlight your lead magnet's benefits. You want to use a catchy headline, a few bullet points, and a strong call to action. Keep it simple yet irresistible. For a bonus, I have a sweet deal with Click Designs to help make designing your funnels and headlines a lot more attractive. Here's where we're going to edit the headline. Free download, we can leave that the same. And because my ebook uses this nice blue and yellow, I'm going to probably change everything here to match that. I want my button to be yellow. I want my text in the button to be probably that white. That's hard to see that white. Let's make it a little darker. Let's use the black that's there. Text color is black. Boom. Instead of it saying download your free thing, we're going to have it say download your affiliate kit. Here it is, button text. Grab your free affiliate kit today. Boom. Email is what we want. All right, so it says, this tell-all affiliate ebook outlines the secrets top affiliate marketers in the game are using to crush sales upwards of $10,000 per week. Follow along to your own success, okay? And then we can change these other images and these other headlines and text if we want, but we don't necessarily have to. This is where we will include any testimonies if we wanted, if we had any, if we needed any. But again, those aren't mandatory, right? Because honestly, this part here is good enough to get us going. If you don't have any testimonies, if you're just getting started, you don't need to worry about any of those. But up here is where you're going to change your brand image. So we're going to change that. Make sure I'm in the right place. And I've already got mine uploaded here a few times. Excuse me. Those are some client images. I did have an image of myself up there. Sweet. Let's go with that one. And it's way too big, so we're going to reduce the size of that to about 75. See how it looks on mobile. It's even too big on mobile. Let's bring it down to about 50. And then here's where you want to add some kind of support email, in which case this one's mine, info@lightwolfmarketing.net. All right. So here, if you don't want a section, it's as easy as going over to it, highlighting the section, just hit delete. I mean, it's really that simple. If you got something that you absolutely don't need, just get rid of it. I may leave the testimonials there just because. And then, are you ready to get started? huge commissions weekly. And then here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to change our button color from blue to yellow, button text from white to black. And we're going to change the download your free thing to grab your secret affiliate success kit now. Boom. All right, that's good. Mobile's good. And should I keep this or should I get rid of it? I'm gonna keep it just because of the fact that it doesn't hurt anything. Down here, you can change these also, these terms and conditions. Yourbrand.com should be your website, and your copyright should be obviously copyright 2023 or whatever year you're watching. It's probably 24, so let's just say 24. Okay, let's hit save changes. And boom, that's it for this page. If you want to add anything else, like if you want to add a bullet to list instead of these, you could do that. And it could say reasons to download or things you're going to learn in this. Let's do that actually. Let's, instead of using this block here, let's add another one. It's going to say features. Let's just drop it in there. Let's get rid of this one. This one's going to say what you're going to learn in the kit. I'm going to change this one to email marketing. Oops. So let's roll through what this says, and then we're going to save it. We're going to preview it, just so you guys get a better idea of what it looks like. So, free download, learn the secrets top affiliates use to earn 10K per week online. Just tell all affiliate ebook outlines the secrets top affiliate marketers in the game are using to crush sales upward of $10,000 per week. Follow along to your own success. It's a free guide, right? So you put in your email there, grab your free affiliate kit, and then what you're going to learn in it. And then here's just an extra little stinger with another button. That's it. It's that simple, okay? That's how you make a simple squeeze page within System.io. Let's move on. Next up, you have the thank you page. This isn't just good manners, it's a strong strategy. Thank your audience and tell them what's next. Maybe a sneak peek of your content or a special offer. On this page, you need an easy way to access the lead magnet you're offering. System allows you to add the file directly, but I prefer to use a file sharing service like Google Drive or FileZilla. In either case, you just paste the URL of the lead magnet into a certain button. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So going back to our System.io template, we're going to hit edit page on a thank you page, and then we're going to change all these images, right? We're going to change this one to that same graphic we did earlier. There's the success kit ebook there. And technically I could have rotated to make it like kind of match a little bit better, but it's not necessary. We're going to change the image up here to make sure it matches with our branding. I'm going to use my logo I used earlier. It's so far down because this was the very first thing I did when I got in the system, was I loaded my branding information. And it's way too big again, so we're going to drop that size down to, like, let's say 60. 58 is close enough. I'm going to change my support info. Info lightwolfmarketing.net. Okay, this button, all my buttons I want to be yellow, just because it matches the book better. It just looks better. So I want my text colors to be black. I want the background color of the button to be yellow. And it can say join my exclusive Facebook community. That's fine. I'm just going to change it to my Facebook group. Passive income pub. So notice it says action when button clicks is open URL. And all I did was edit the back of this URL to be my Facebook group. Okay, you click off of it, it saves automatically. It says your download successful. I'm going to change this download to yellow. Why yellow? Because this is yellow. I want congruency. Okay. Make sure you check your email inbox and spam folders. And that's it. You know, if you've got it set up to go from your email into this, then you're good to go. Um, if not, you can also add a separate button here that says download your gift here. You know what? Let's do it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So over here, if we click off of it, we can either click into the row or anywhere else. Just click off of it so you're back into the Elements tab. You're going to look for the button, which is usually under Forms right here, and just drop it in. I want it in this column. There we go. So I'm going to hit, I want this to go to a custom open URL or download file. But if you download the file, it lives in system. I'd rather live somewhere else just in case system's having server issues or for whatever reason, you know, my system account locks me out or something crazy. I don't know. And then I'm going to paste in the URL of the link, which I've got there. And that's it. I'm going to open it in a new window. I always like to use a new window instead of the same window because sometimes people are still doing things on that page. Let's say they still want to go to the Facebook community. Then I always do that. And I'm going to change the text. It says, access your affiliate success kit here. Free download link. Boom. And just like the other one, I want this button to be yellow, this text to be black. And the subtext is also black. I don't care for the padding. It's gonna stay there though. It's not the end of the world. You could change your font size if you're not happy with it. And always look at the mobile view, see how it looks. In the mobile view, I want the button to be under this. So let's do that. It's probably gonna change it in the regular view too. All right, that's how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna put one over here. This one is going to say, this is only for the desktop view. So I'll turn off the mobile. I'm gonna click this one and say, this one's only for the mobile view. And the reason being is because of the formatting. Notice how this looks in desktop view. And look at it in mobile view, right? In mobile view, I've got the button for the Facebook community there and the button to access the kit under the kit. Boom. And we can always change this to say copyright 2024. You know, like your brand is my brand. Lightwolf marketing, and the terms and conditions should be a link going to your terms and conditions page, which I don't want to do right now. It's pretty easy. You could just use an online terms generator and you're good to go. So I'm going to save and exit this. And those are my pages. Now I'm going to briefly go over this. This one has a booking page, this template, in which case, you know, suppose you want to, you know, close more sales or close more high ticket sales. You want to get on the line to do that. It's not mandatory, but it's something to consider. Now, here's the golden rule. Test, test, and test again. System.io makes it easy to tweak and optimize your pages for the best results. If you're sending traffic to your page and not getting the results you want, now you know how to adjust it. And there you have it, guys, your very first lead magnet funnel. Ready to gather leads like a pro. But wait, there's more. To make your life even easier, I've got a free white label funnel template and a course waiting for you. Check the description below to grab them. Trust me, they're game changers. All of the heavy lifting is done for you. You just have to make some minor tweaks to the name and links and you're good to go. Designing your first funnel is just the start. With System.io, the possibilities are endless. So dive in, experiment, and watch your list grow like no other. If you found this video helpful, make sure you guys smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips in our Achieving Financial Freedom Through System.io series. Share this with anyone embarking on their online business journey. Until next time, guys, keep funneling your way to success. Isaiah Gibson from Lightwolf Marketing, signing off.